Lucy Electric is a leader in power distribution solutions with over 100 years industry experience, specializing in high-performance medium-voltage switchgear and intelligent solutions for utility, industrial and commercial applications. We enable the safe and reliable distribution of energy to homes and businesses worldwide. We have committed to the transition to net zero by 2050 by embracing systems change, so our customers can be sure they are optimizing the impact of low-carbon technologies, delivering the benefits of technology by creating innovative and flexible solutions to deliver the net zero ambitions of our customers, and striving to make our business as sustainable as possible. Lucy Electric Thailand is one of the largest facilities of Lucy Electric based in the United Kingdom, manufacturing ring main units, load break switches and remote terminal units, supplying businesses worldwide. More than 90% of our production capacity is exported. Located in the WHA Eastern Seaboard Industrial Estate in Rayong Province, Thailand, our factory is certified with ISO 9001, ISO 14001 and ISO 45001 accreditation. We have an in-house engineering design team located at our Rayong facility who work with our customers in many countries delivering customized product designs to meet different requirements and challenges. Lucy Electric is the first and only ring main unit manufacturer in Thailand with 100% of local production and product assembly. Quality is key and critical. We have robust processes which ensure only the best materials are used in our products. Lucy Electric Thailand, we employ helium leak test technology, which shortens the test duration from 24 hours to only 40 minutes to optimize factory efficiency. We have a high voltage laboratory to perform power frequency withstand tests and partial discharge test. All our products are tested in accordance with international standards and customer requirements. In addition, customers can visit our site for product inspection before delivery or schedule a video conference to inspect them virtually. Every unit is supplied with a specific test certificate which allows customers to track and trace all operations and tests completed through the production process. With our experience and expertise, including detailed production processes and rigorous quality control in accordance with global standards, our customers can trust the quality of our products from inward inspection of components and raw materials through components preparation and final assembly. Product integrity is ensured, guaranteeing our products delivered to our customers are best in class. Lucy Electric, engineering intelligent solutions.